Oh, hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Wait till you see this. Venture's got it going on. This is a 2026 Venture Sporttrek Model 271 VRB. So let's get started. The length on this Sporttrek is 30 feet 11 inches. The dry weight is 6,770 pounds with a hitch weight of 860, GVWR of 9,260.
Yeah, guys, we think you're going to like this one. It's a really cool floor plan. We always love to bring you guys a KZ product, and this Sporttrek definitely does not disappoint. As always, we will start right up here at the front. You are going to have the BAL stabilizing system tongue jack, which is super cool. Your propane bottles are going to go under that cover, and of course your batteries will mount right back there. Coming down the side for your outside storage. Really nice pass-through here. Your docking station is going to be out here. It is locked, so we can't quite show that one. That is going to be part of your stabilizing system. You've got your fresh tank pool over here.
Here's the tank pool.
Dump area. Oh, tank pools are up on the frame.
Tankless water heater.
It is right there. This is going to give you a rack and pinion slide. Here's your Sporttrek emblem. Nice little blue accents in the graphics there. You do have another dump area here at the back.
Is there another pool under here, or is there not?
Yeah, up there on the frame.
There it is. I see it.
Okay, back here, taking a look at the back. You're going to have a ladder where you can access your roof. It is prepped for a backup camera, and you do have a receiver hitch for an accessory rack. Here on the campsite, do we know how long this awning is?
14 feet?
Okay. Yeah, a little smaller awning than I would like to see, but...
Okay, I have not seen behind here, but she has, so we're going to get surprised together.
Whew.
Oh, wow.
All right. Guys, Venture knows how to do an outside kitchen. This is just the bomb. I mean, you get a little bit bigger outside fridge. You have this storage drawer, your pull-out griddle. You do have a sink, and then you have a TV and a wireless speaker. Hold on, I almost forgot the wireless speaker there. So, ultimate tailgating setup. It is right here. Your quick connect, of course, is going to be right below it. Whew. Let's see. Right now we would have to watch basketball because that's the season, but baseball, football, the Olympics,
Oh.
It's too cold to sit out and watch the Olympics, but it could be done if you really want to. So yeah, this is going to be your campsite, so super setup for being outside.
Ah, there it is. I was looking for the spare. It's under there.
Under there. All right, let's show them this other side, this pass-through storage. So you got some lights there, your cap lights, prep for tire link.
I don't know what that turned on.
Yeah, well, we can't see the outside lights right now, but yeah. So, guys, this is a great one. Let's go inside and see what you think about that. All right. Quick look around here.
Ooh.
Yeah, we'll just start as you come in the door. There, you're going to come right into kind of the kitchen area. So you've got these great drawers right off the bat, and this is a little, right here is a little indention area that you can put some sponges or scrub daddies or scrub mommies or whichever scrubbies you use.
Okay.
Great storage up above your sink. This is going to give you a high-rise faucet, single basin sink, and amazing space underneath it. So
Whew.
we have a KZ product, so underneath our sink was very similar to that, and so we just built it up and made a pull-out garbage can under
Yeah.
it. So it can be done. Nice microwave, got your Envision hood there, 3-burner cooktop with an oven, and Venture is going to give you a cutting board. I just absolutely love that. Over here, you're going to have a 12-bowl compressor fridge with the freezer at the bottom.
I like that.
And they haven't even removed all the tape on this one, so this one's all still taped up.
And
Nice big pantry. And it's got adjustable shelves in it, so you can reconfigure it however you need them.
let's look at this,
Okay.
because you've got the bar area.
Yeah, and a couple of bar stools. Now this is KZ, so they are going to put their heating in the floor. It's fine. It works great. And you actually have really
Lots of,
good storage under this little breakfast bar.
and
Now this
I
one
was
is not going to have solid surface in it. So.
and I was just looking at something. We need something right here. I think a big picture of me and you would be really awesome for people to take home. That's what I
Yeah,
thought.
just keep thinking.
Okay.
Right up here, you're going to have your AC unit. This looks like a 40-inch TV, I think.
Yes.
And you got a little bit of storage on both sides of that. Sound bar already in here. Great blackout shades, so you can block out your neighbors if you don't want to see them. You are going to have a booth-style dinette here, and of course, this will make additional sleeping if you need to. And you look all engrossed in something there.
Your second AC cost you $1,015.
Yes, but when it's summer in the South, that is well worth it.
No, I was looking at the wrong one.
Well, while you're looking at that,
$1,087.
I'm going to show you guys that there's storage under here, and there is a pull-out bin in there. While he's perusing that.
Well, there's your MSRP.
Yeah. All right, let me back up and show you guys your sofa over here. It's going to have a really nice armrest with some cup holders, charging in the middle of it. I like the finish on this. This is much lighter than than ours. I like this lighter color. Storage across the top. Nice big window over here. Again, blackout shades. It is just great. All right, what direction do you want to go in?
I'm going to sit down. Let you have at it.
Hey, they give you a hook up there too, so great place.
Solar charger is over there.
All right over there, easy to get to.
Bathroom?
Sure.
Okay.
All right, so we think you guys are going to like this one. You have a nice big shower here. This is a
32 by
32 by 36, is it?
Yeah.
Skylight up there, plenty of headroom. So, you know, most of you should know by now, Jeremy's 6 feet tall. So,
I think everybody in the country knows I'm 6
well,
foot tall.
they ought to.
Well, I can't measure from that side. Let me get over here.
It is going to give you a curtain in here. If you
30.
want to add one of those retractable doors, I think they're fairly easy to do. So, yeah, they give you a window here that actually opens for some airflow. Now, there's not solid surface in this unit, but you have a good area around your sink. Got a nice medicine cabinet right there in the corner.
Nice window in the bathroom.
Yes,
I like that too.
I love it. Your water heater controls back here. They give you some plug-ins. There was some storage there underneath the sink. I don't think I showed it, but yeah, got a little bit under there. Got a couple of open areas right over here. Great to put your Charmin or Angel Soft, or in our case, whatever Sam's has on sale.
Members Mark.
Yeah.
Hey, let's look at this right here.
This is really, really cool. So you have this vanity area here. It's got a plug-in. You do actually have an extra mirror. And then you have this over here with a shelf, but it is plumbed and ready to go for a combo unit.
That's really cool.
So that is just amazing. You've got your porcelain foot flush toilet here and all of this floor space, so plenty of leg room. Got heating right next to it.
We've got good hookups on the PEX pipe back here. Yes.
Yes.
Oh!
Then you have this.
Wow.
So, whew, you can get the great big beach towels in here.
Wow. I don't even have.
Hey, we didn't even have no lights on. I don't know that I have ever seen a light inside a linen closet.
Good night. And yes,
Yes,
we
indeed.
did give it the golden
This
plunger.
one definitely gets the golden plunger. Again, all
Ooh.
of this storage is under that giant outside kitchen, so it is
Goodness.
amazing. So this is a great
Whew.
rear bathroom. We would
Okay.
almost give this one 2 plungers if we could.
This is really good.
It is really good.
Yes.
Okay, we're not finished. Hold on. We got just a little bit more to show you guys. Let's walk right up here and get into the master bedroom. I always love Venture's bedrooms. I don't know. I just like.
I don't know.
I like the way they look. Now it's not a huge bedroom. It's not huge, but you've got your blackout shades. You're gonna have hanging on both sides, and then of course storage across the top.
There you go.
Yeah, you've got USB charging, and there's gonna be power on both sides.
Yeah.
And then you've got the little cubbies back there, so I think a CPAP will fit back there. I'm not real familiar with those, but I think it will. You do have a second AC unit in here. Hooks down here.
I think it's the wall. I love the way they.
I love that it's kind of like board and batten, kind of finished out. Nicely done. Let me see. TV. Oh, I almost skipped the TV. If you want to add it, it'll go up above that window. This should be a king size bed. Pretty sure.
I don't know if they put king size in here.
You know, this may be a queen. What is it?
Yeah, it's queen.
Queen. It is a queen.
Yeah,
Yeah. So,
very nice.
and I'm guessing that there should be some storage under it. So.
Yeah, because
Yes. And your bar stools
Yes,
will
will
go under there while you're traveling.
all right.
Super nice.
All right, everybody. Tell us what you think about this one. This is it's really sharp. I really like it. All right, everybody. If you found our channel, go ahead and subscribe. And if you like this, the dealership's information is down in our description. Thanks, everybody.